Well, how do you like the sound of no more local property taxes? State Republican leaders are floating the idea as one way to give towns control over how much money they raise and how much they keep. But Democrats say it's not as good as it sounds. Fox 61's Lori Perez explains.
Senator David Capeillo says taxpayers can't afford to wait another year for property tax reform, that seniors, retirees, and young families especially are overburdened.
Property taxes continue to rise exponentially, faster than the rate of inflation, faster than our state budget, and definitely faster than personal income growth.
He says current plans designed to give towns money raised on the state level don't work because politics and bureaucracy keep money tied up. Right now, the only way local leaders can generate revenue is by raising local property taxes. Open that up, and he says you can reduce the burden on residents.
In some municipalities, that could mean a local sales tax. In some, it could mean another conveyance tax. It could be a business tax. It could be a lot of taxes.
But some Democrats say that's exactly what's wrong with the plan.
The idea of creating 169 separate fiefdoms with 169 different taxation methodologies not only is inefficient from a economic standpoint, but it's really bad for growth.
Under the Republican proposal, a town choosing a new way to raise funds would have to eliminate local property taxes. But Representative Brendan Sharkey says property taxes provide a stable way to provide local income, and giving towns too much latitude could create too much competition.
If we have a tax system where every town is competing, a system where every town does their own taxation without any kind of overarching concept of how they do it, means that every town will be even more competitive with each other, which means we'll have bad decisions with regard to planning, economic development.
The one thing there is bipartisan agreement on, that there's a problem with the tax system. I'm Lori Perez, Fox 61, News at 10.
Republicans say this is not the end of the discussion, that they are open to other ideas, but are committed to property tax reform now.